Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this special episode, we are unboxing my latest haul from Stockx. Let's check out what this sneaker is. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. Thanks to our friends from Soul Academy and New Balance Philippines, we are giving away a brand new New Balance 997 Sport Leather Premium Pack in blue in size 9. Apart from that, we are giving away a hardbound collector's edition New Balance 997 coffee table book. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, click the link down below in the description box so you can be part of the giveaway. Go! Let's get to the unboxing. So we have our trusty, I'm a professional now. Ooh, I have an unboxing cutter. So thanks to one of the subscribers who I met actually in our Christmas meetup. I think I did during the holiday meetup. He was kind enough to give me this cutter. So dude, thank you. I appreciate it. Maraming salamat po. Please comment down below so you get recognized. So let's, usually, by the way, if you buy stuff from Stockx, it comes in boxes like this one. It gets delivered to you straight by UPS to your house. So let's pop it open. We have like bubble wrap, and you guys can already tell that it is most likely an Ultra Boost, but it is not just your typical Ultra Boost. It is not an Ultra Boost 4.0. It is not an Ultra Boost Retro. It is not an Ultra Boost V1, V2, V3, V4. Guys, this is the Adidas Ultra Boost 2019. The Ultra Boost 19 in multicolor black. It comes in this traditional Ultra Boost box, yellow, purple, and white. So yeah, nothing much to it. It does say here Ultra Boost 19. I did get a full size up. I have no idea if that was the right decision. A part of me is telling me that I should have just gotten true to size, but I wanted to be sure that it would fit well, and I will be using this, well, I guess a lot, so I want to make sure that the fit was right. But I'm really worried that it's a little bit too big. But yeah, let's just find out when I wear it. So if you pop the box open, you have that wrapper that just says boost, 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 boost. You have that typical Stockx card. It says here, yay, you came back to the future, thank you. Now that you're a Stockx regular, a few things to remember. Free shipping every 5 purchases, so that's nice. Selling is dead simple, stuff like that. Yeah, and a bunch of other instructions. If you remove the, oh my god, this looks amazing, guys. This is it. This is the Ultra Boost 19 or 2019 in multicolor black. I mean, look at that. That looks, woo, sweet. It also comes with the Stockx verified authentic tag in green over there, which means that it was verified already by Stockx. But by the way, quick tip, if you do buy sneakers and people are claiming that it's real, and the only point that they're using to claim that it's real or proof is this tag, don't be misled, because this can be reproduced fairly quickly these days. So a lot of fake sneakers being sold actually already have this. In fact, I saw it in Green Hills. Here's the other pair, and apart from the shoe, we have the Stockx sticker. Quick note, this is not sponsored by Stockx. I bought this with my own money. So a few notes. I won't be putting it on feet for now, so please do watch out for my on feet review in the coming days ahead. But here are some notes that I found really interesting. Number one, the knit pattern is definitely more different compared to the knit pattern that they used with the version 4.0. The cage is also different. I mean, I don't know what material this is. Some sort of like plasticky leather material, which works as the cage and the 3 stripes accent here. If you take a look at the cage over here as well, it is very different compared to the traditional Ultra Boost that we've gotten used to. Apart from that, one obvious difference, and this is not without me even like putting it on feet, the Boost looks hella thick. I mean, take a look at that. That looks so much thicker than the Boost that you guys see with the previous Boost, Ultra Boost sneakers. It actually reminds me a lot of the EQT Boost. So yeah, we will be probably seeing that or putting that to test in the coming days ahead. Oh, I also love where they put the Ultra Boost branding. It's actually here, black on black. As you guys remember, Ultra Boost used to be written here along the side. The Continental like rubber also looks a little bit sturdier. but I will do a more detailed comparison when I do the review. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing for you guys so that you see that we already have it in my collection. So please do watch out for the review once we do it in the coming days ahead. So yeah guys, that's it for this very quick vlog. Watch out for the full review coming soon. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.